This is our entry for hack productivity, and it deals with the home front, more dealing with the family and all, because we definitely need a holiday to take a break from all the work. Now this add-in will help make that decision. Now how this add-in works, we'll just show how the steps. Let's see. We have named it as Travel Easy because it's like a travel guidance for a person. Now if you want to know where we are, we have to click on submit, and we need to have an active internet for it always, because then only it will fetch the data. Now as we see, it gives all the information of the IP, and from because I am using a dongle, it's giving the dongle details and all. Now if you want to make a wise decision on a place to go, let's see, we write in a name place, and we want to go to a place called Delhi. Now let's see the distance of in this particular step. It will give you the distance and how much year time it would take and all the details. Now if you want to make a decision on a flight, like if you want to check on the like the status on a map, you can definitely do that by giving the name of the city and to the destination place. Now you see that the total distance has been given and a map for the route. So this is very helpful. Now what happens is that you are traveling and you want to know the weather of that particular place, or you want to know the places of interest over there. And for that, if I just type in the weather forecast and click on type in Delhi and now click on submit, what it does is that it gives you the all information about the Delhi, what's the population, what's the time over there, temperature right away, and places nearby, airport where you land, places nearby to visit. So it's very useful for us to make a decision. And people who are notably associated or born in Delhi, you will get all the details. That's all about the application. It makes very easy for us to make a decision on a flight or a travel that we want to do, and it's a family getaway, so we have put it in the family category. Thank you.